Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your property value with Redfin step by step clearly. Step 1 is to research your local real estate market on Redfin. Use the search bar to enter your property address and view comparable properties. Observe the selling prices of homes similar to yours in your neighborhood. Step 2 involves setting a budget for your upgrades. Determine how much you can invest without overspending. Step 3 is to prioritize the improvements based on potential return on investment. Focus on areas that attract buyers, such as kitchens, bathrooms, and curb appeal. Step 4 is to consult Redfin's data for trending home features in your area. Look at recent sales to identify what buyers are currently looking for. Step 5 is to make a plan for your renovations. Create a timeline for each project and hire licensed contractors if necessary. Step 6 is to enhance curb appeal. Consider landscaping, painting the front door, or adding outdoor lighting. Step 7 is to upgrade the kitchen. Focus on modern appliances, updated cabinets, and new countertops. Step 8 involves bathroom renovations. Replace old fixtures, regrout tiles, and consider a fresh coat of paint. Step 9 is to use Redfin to list your home once improvements are complete. Create an engaging property listing using high-quality photos and detailed descriptions. Step 10 is to monitor your listing's performance on Redfin. Make adjustments based on feedback and market activity to attract more buyers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.